How to meditate, step-by-step guide. Assuming you would like a step-by-step guide on how to meditate. 1. Get in a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the ground, or you can sit on the ground with your legs crossed. You can also lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Just make sure that your spine is straight so that you can relax and breathe easily. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This will help you to relax and clear your mind. 3. Focus on your breath. Once you've taken a few deep breaths, begin to focus on your breath, moving in and out of your body. Don't try to control your breath, just let it flow naturally. 4. Let go of thoughts as they arise. As you focus on your breath, you may find that other thoughts start to come into your mind. That's perfectly normal. Just let those thoughts pass by and return your focus to your breath. 5. Continue for 5-10 minutes, or longer if you'd like. Meditation doesn't have to be long to be effective. Just 5-10 minutes of mindfulness can help to reduce stress and increase peace and calmness.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.